Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start in Roblox and go straight to settings, no extra setup. Open the in-game menu or click the gear icon on the website. Once done, tap audio or sound. You need to find the master volume control first because that controls all game audio. Make sure to keep the app active while changing settings so adjustments apply. If you are on mobile, use the three-dot menu. On PC, use the top right gear. This begins the actual process of silencing sound fast. Now you change the levels. This is where precision matters. Move the master volume slider to 0 to cut all audio immediately, or mute the toggle if present. Once done, adjust music, ambient, and UI individually if you want selective silence. On mobile, use your finger to drag each slider. On PC, click and drag with the mouse. Make sure to check both in-game settings and device volume, because device volume can override Roblox sliders. Once adjusted, test with a quick game sound check. Finish by saving settings and restarting Roblox so changes take full effect. This confirms the sliders stuck. If sound persists, check your device volume, headset mute switch, and whether your browser tab is unmuted. Make sure no other audio sources are playing in background apps. If it still won't silence, clear the app cache or reinstall Roblox. This often fixes corrupted settings. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle master volume up then back to 0 to force the setting to reapply.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.